bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know they got to wear the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Try to give me 5 mile water. I live down on my son, on my dog. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter.
Hi guys, come back again with me, Sheena. Cerita Sheena in my YouTube channel. Okay, at the moment I decided to speak English because I would like to show you show all over the world about where I'm going to, because this is one of the most and it's a must to visit when you visiting UAE. Okay, so you guys must be so curious. Just stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So this street is called Hatta Dam Street, and this is like between Dubai and Hatta Oman. And I will show you the cutie part, the cutie part. The place where I was headed to. There you go. It's called Hatta Dam, and this is actually the border between UAE and Oman, but Hatta belong to Dubai. And there you go. This is the dam, and you can do the kayaking from there. And there is a, what is it called? It's like donut boat, something like that. So guys, if you're visiting Dubai or Abu Dhabi, don't forget to come here. It's not that far, though. This is the border between UAE and Oman. It's just like 2 hours maximum. Actually, there's another like shorter way, but there is a security checkpoint over there, so make sure that you have a complete document, then it's fine. It's shorter way, but to be honest, I prefer to take the longer one because I love road trip. Let's do the Alright guys, because we're going for kayaking. Okay, can I have one of the life jacket? To be safe, they're gonna give us this one. Oh, I can swim though. Actually, I don't need this, but for safety. Look at this. Exactly on the water, a little bit difficult to walk, Because like, can't jump, don't jump. It's quite scary. Guys, look at this! My God, this is the best thing ever. Having a kayaking in Hatta Dam. Don't ever miss it. If you're coming to UAE, please come here. This is so relaxing. Yes, so relaxing. But yeah, okay, my advice to you, you have to get dry clothes. Bring another clothes because you're gonna get wet. And then we have different kind of kayaking. First is for the single deck, and this is the double deck. So I get a double deck. It costs you 120 dirhams. The single one is 60 dirhams. And we have any other things as well, like biking and bicycle, like on the top, something like that. And the donut boat, I think around 150 dirhams. Yeah, I'll tell you down there, like how much. 150 dirhams in dollar. Oh my God. To be honest, this is fun, but a little bit like creepy. Imagine if like, oh no, I don't want to talk something bad. I can swim though, but this is not the time. All right, guys. Bye. Woohoo. Guys, this is so relaxing. This is one of the best things to do in UAE, and I would like to tell you more information. As I told you, this place is in the border between UAE and Oman. So maybe some of you are wondering, like, do I need visa there? Okay, it depends on your passport, of course, but if you are entering through UAE and you got your passport stamped, then you will be good to come here without visa. Okay, and probably if you enter from Oman, then you need the visa. From Oman, you have to check, depend on your passport. But anyway, don't worry, it's very easy. Okay, and also don't forget to watch the weather, because when it's summer, it's extremely hot here, and I believe that you will not be able to enjoy this much, and because there is no cover on the top of your head. But as some of you like, yeah, you can bring some cap, you know, if you don't want to feel headache. But during the winter, like now is November, this is very perfect. It's not cold, it's not hot as well, and it's the best time to have some kisses like me. I like it, I love it, and guys. Okay, one more thing. Maybe some of you are wondering, if can we really swim here? Like, I don't know. The other day, I checked from Google. There are some people swim in the dam, but let me be clear. It's not allowed. Not allowed to swim here. So don't ever try. Otherwise, the security will come to you and definitely fine. So that was my story, spending time in Hatta Dam. That was really great and amazing. Did the kayaking and, well, some other mores. Alright, so for all of you, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Cerita Sheena, and follow my Instagram at Sheena Anissa. And don't forget to put like button for all of you who likes my video, and I really appreciate that. Don't forget as well to tap this ring button so you will get the notification whenever I upload the new vlog. And you can also put, please, the comment down below, put some suggestions, whatever you want me to post, okay? And definitely I'm gonna post and make it for all of you. Okay, thank you very much for all of you once again who already watched. Bye!